is Dava Sahban. I want to give my opinion about referee in the match Indonesia vs Bahrain in World Cup qualifying 2026. It's unfortunate that the Indonesian national team failed to win maximum point because controversial wasit in the match. In the match Indonesia vs Bahrain qualifying World Cup 2026 in Bahrain International Stadium 10 October yesterday, is unfortunate for the Indonesian national team failed to win maximum point because of the controversial wasit, where the referee should have blown the whistle 96 minutes, but it became controversial because referee gave only 9 minutes. It's not 9 minutes, it's 6 minutes of extra time in a normal time, causing in Indonesian national team failed to win maximum point in Bahrain National Stadium yesterday because controversial wasit time from normal time, causing the Indonesian national team from concede a goal at the end of the match. Of course, this match Indonesia fans team is very angry because controversial referee in the match and went and viral in the world and hashtag AFC Mafia. But my hope every Indonesian national team player move on and stay focused in the next match because of journey stay too long, and I hope Indonesia national team win in the next match. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello mom, today I'm going to present of a topic, the question word. For example, let me introduce myself. My name is Dava Sahban. I'm from class 441D01. Next, what are question words? 1. Question words are words to use to ask question, and 2. Common in daily conversation to get information. Next. Importance of question word. 1. Have to commit in clearly, and 2. Have to communicate in more detail. Next. List of question words. 1. What, 2. Where, 3. When, 4. Who, 5. Why, and 6. How. Next. What, meaning used to ask about thing or action. Example sentence, what is your name? And 2. What are you doing? Next. Where, meaning used to ask about place or location. Example sentence, 1. Where do you live? And 2. Where is the nearest store? Next. When, meaning used to ask about time. Example sentence, when is your birthday? And 2. When will the meeting start? Next. Why, meaning used to ask about reason of course. Example sentence, what are you sad? And 2. Why did you choose this school? Next. Who, meaning used to ask about people. Example sentence, 1. Who is your teacher? And 2. Who called you? Next. How, Meaning used to ask about manner, state, and condition. Example sentence, how are you? And two, how do you solve this problem? Next, example in context. Dialogue example. Where are you going? I am going to the library. Next, why are you going there? I need to study over a test. Next, conclusion. Summary of question word. 1. Each question word serves a unique purpose. And 2. Using the help is asking effective question and understand answer. And include practice. Practice by creating simple question using each word. Next, common mistake. Avoiding common error. 1. Using the wrong question word example, using where instead of when. And 2. Incorrect sentence structure. Question word are followed by a verb. And 3. Missing actual verb in question. Example, what is the going? Not what he doing. Next, what the pair say? Different use of that what. 1. To ask about object or activities. What is that sound? 2. To ask for description or definition. What is a solar eclipse? And 3. In complex sentence. What do you think will happen? Next. Where advanced usage. Using where in different contexts. 1. Asking for specific location detail. Where in Paris did you visit? And 2. To discuss origin. Where do you come from? And 3. In hypothetical situation. Where would you go if you had a push? Next. When most and spell. Common phrase with when. 1. Schedule event. When is when is the next train? Duration of period. When you start learning English and using when with future tense. When will you return? Next. Who addition application. Example and complex sentence. 1. Identifying people in detail. Who is the person leading the project? And 2. To specify relationship. Who is your best friend? And 3. Use in reported speech. She asks who would attend the meeting. Next. Why exploring recent future? Expanding on why question. 1. Cause and effect. Why did the company close down? And 2. Personal and motivation. Why do you want this job? And 3. Discussion of argument. Why do you disagree with that opinion? Next. How complex question. Using how in average situation. 1. To ask about method or way. How did you make this? And 2. Asking about feeling or state. How was your day? And 3. Using how with adjective. How tall is this building? Yep, presentation is M. I'm sorry for the wrong example on a wrong sentence on words. Sorry, ma'am. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.